Have you ever wondered what the future of architecture will look like as we venture into space? From moon colonies to Mars bases, humanity is on the brink of revolutionizing how we build and live beyond Earth. How will gravity, or the lack of it, shape our designs? What architectural marvels will support life in the cosmos? Join us as we explore 7 awe-inspiring architectural designs inspired by space exploration. These projects redefine the boundaries of construction and reflect our boldest ambitions for living among the stars. Join us on this thrilling journey through the cosmos and back. The Mars Icehouse, living on the red planet. The Mars Icehouse is an innovative architectural concept designed to address the challenges of life on Mars. Developed by Search Plus and Cloud's Architecture Office for NASA's 3D Printed Habitat Challenge, this design stands out by utilizing Mars's abundant resource water. Instead of traditional metal or concrete, the Mars Icehouse proposes constructing translucent 3D printed structures made of ice, forming protective domes for human habitation. Ice not only provides an effective shield from harmful solar and cosmic radiation, but it also offers a lightweight structure compatible with Mars's low gravity. This concept represents a major leap in sustainable extraterrestrial design. Inside the icehouse, the environment is designed to sustain astronauts. The ice walls act as radiation barriers and allow natural sunlight to diffuse into the habitat, creating a soft glow that helps regulate circadian rhythms and supports mental well-being. The interior spaces are carefully designed with essential living areas, workspaces, and even areas for growing food, allowing semi-autonomous living. The design also includes recreational zones, creating a sense of comfort in a harsh environment. The habitat would be constructed using robotic systems that harvest water from Mars's subsurface, convert it into ice, and 3D print the structure layer by layer. This process, known as in situ resource utilization, minimizes reliance on costly Earth-supplied materials, making the Mars Icehouse more sustainable. Its modular structure allows for expansion as more astronauts arrive on Mars, potentially forming larger colonies. Adaptable and scalable, it could be rapidly deployed to support long-term Martian habitation. This project reflects a shift in how we approach space architecture. By embracing the unique challenges of Mars and leveraging local resources, the Mars Icehouse could serve as a model for future space habitats, representing both human ingenuity and our ambition to thrive beyond Earth. The Geteway Foundation's Spaceport, a rotating city in space. The Geteway Foundation's Spaceport is a groundbreaking project aiming to build the first rotating space station, capable of hosting hundreds of people in Earth's orbit. Its ring-like structure spins to generate artificial gravity through centrifugal force, allowing inhabitants to experience Earth-like conditions in space. This revolutionary idea goes beyond scientific research, envisioning a space habitat for tourists, researchers, and long-term residents. Inspired by science fiction yet grounded in practical engineering, the spaceport measures over 1,100 feet in diameter and rotates at a speed that creates comfortable living conditions. Its modules include luxury hotel rooms, research labs, restaurants, and communal spaces like parks, blending advanced technology with human-centric design. The goal is not just survival, but thriving in space. What sets the spaceport apart is its focus on tourism. With hotel-style suites offering stunning views of Earth and entertainment options like cinemas and gyms, the spaceport aims to make space a destination for travelers. This shift could pave the way for commercial space travel, turning spaceports into the next frontier of tourism. In addition to tourism, the spaceport offers significant potential for space exploration and industry. Its modular design allows for expansion, making it a hub for research, technology, and even space mining. As the spaceport evolves, it could grow into a larger colony or serve as a base for missions to the Moon and Mars. The Geteway Foundation is laying the groundwork for a future where space becomes an integral part of human life. The Lunar Village by Som, building on the Moon. The Lunar Village, designed by Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill for the European Space Agency, represents humanity's first step toward a permanent settlement on the Moon. Unlike a simple research outpost, it is envisioned as a scalable village where astronauts, scientists, and engineers can live and work long-term. The village consists of modular inflatable habitats that can be easily transported, assembled, and expanded using lunar resources. The goal is to create a sustainable colony that serves scientific, commercial, and potentially even tourism purposes. A key feature of the Lunar Village is its use of in-situ resource utilization, where lunar materials like regolith, moon soil, are used for construction. This reduces the cost of transporting materials from Earth. Regolith would be processed to create protective shielding around the inflatable modules, safeguarding inhabitants from the moon's extreme conditions, including temperature swings, micrometeorite impacts, and radiation. Solar panels, water recycling, and food-growing systems further enhance sustainability, minimizing the need for resupply missions. The village is designed for flexibility and future expansion. The base modules can grow over time to accommodate more people and facilities. The layout includes living quarters, labs, communication hubs, and recreational spaces. The Lunar Village is also a collaborative international project, uniting space agencies, companies, and nations to work together on lunar exploration and development. In the bigger picture, the Lunar Village serves as a testing ground for future planetary exploration, including Mars. The insights gained from this lunar settlement will inform the design of habitats on other worlds. SOM's design merges futuristic aspirations with practical sustainability, laying the groundwork for humanity's long-term presence beyond Earth. Spacex Mars Colony, Elon Musk's vision for a multiplanetary species. Elon Musk's vision for a SpaceX Mars colony is one of the most ambitious projects in human exploration. Musk's goal is to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars, where millions can live and work independently of Earth. His motivation stems from the belief that humanity must become a multiplanetary species to secure its future against environmental or existential threats. This vision goes beyond landing astronauts on Mars. It's about building a thriving city that can grow and flourish on its own. At the core of the Mars colony plan is SpaceX's Starship, a reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo to Mars. The colony's design will rely on prefabricated structures and Martian resources. Water ice on Mars can be used for drinking and agriculture, while carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can be converted into oxygen and rocket fuel. Solar panels will generate energy, and protective domes or underground habitats will shield colonists from radiation and extreme temperatures. This focus on self-sufficiency is critical to reducing dependence on Earth-based supplies. Musk's vision goes beyond survival. He imagines a city with residential neighborhoods, industrial zones, green spaces, and entertainment areas designed for both function and comfort. Early stages will focus on research and infrastructure, but as the population grows, the colony will need schools, hospitals, and recreational facilities. Musk's utopian vision even includes the idea of a new system of governance tailored to life on another planet. Despite the grand vision, significant challenges remain, including technological hurdles and ethical concerns about colonizing another world. Ensuring the safety of Mars settlers and understanding the environmental impact are crucial issues. Yet with ongoing development of the Starship and SpaceX's track record in space exploration, Musk's dream of a Mars colony is quickly shifting from science fiction to an achievable reality, potentially redefining humanity's place in the universe. Oceanix City, a floating solution for rising sea levels. Oceanix City is an innovative project designed by architect Bjarke Ingels and his firm BIG in collaboration with the United Nations to address the threat of rising sea levels. This floating city concept aims to house up to 10,000 people on interconnected hexagonal platforms that float on the ocean's surface. It offers a sustainable and adaptable solution for coastal areas facing the risk of submersion due to climate change, providing a resilient model for future urban living. The design prioritizes sustainability, with each platform accommodating around 300 people and featuring green technologies like solar panels, wind turbines, and water filtration systems. Oceanix City is fully self-sufficient, producing energy and growing food through vertical farming and aquaponics. Buildings are made from eco-friendly materials like bamboo and recycled plastics, and the city utilizes ocean resources such as desalinated seawater and marine crops, minimizing environmental impact. Oceanix City is modular and scalable, capable of starting small and expanding as needed. Its platforms are anchored to the seafloor with biorock, a material that strengthens over time, ensuring stability in extreme weather. This flexibility makes it a viable solution for coastal cities like New York or Jakarta, which are already threatened by rising sea levels. Beyond practicality, Oceanix City reimagines how humans interact with nature. Rather than resisting the ocean, it embraces it, integrating sustainable living with marine ecosystems. Residents engage in activities like ocean farming and renewable energy production, promoting a deeper connection with the environment. As sea levels rise, Oceanix City offers a vision of thriving in harmony with nature, not just surviving. NASA's Beam, expanding space stations with inflatable modules. NASA's Bigelow Expandable Activity Module, BEAM, is a pioneering innovation in space habitat design. Launched in 2016 and attached to the International Space Station, ISS, BEAM serves as an experimental module to test inflatable structures in space. Unlike traditional rigid metal modules, BEAM is made of flexible, fabric-like materials that expand once in orbit, creating larger, lighter, and more cost-effective living spaces for astronauts. The key advantage of BEAM is its compactness during transport. It is launched in a compressed state and inflates in space, expanding to nearly 5 times its size, providing around 16 cubic meters of habitable volume. This inflatable design allows for more room compared to traditional modules, which are constrained by rocket payload sizes. BEAM's success demonstrates how inflatable habitats could transform space station architecture, offering more space for astronauts to live and work. BEAM also provides enhanced protection. Its multi-layer fabric, including the strong Vectran fiber, shields against micrometeorites and cosmic radiation. During its time on the ISS, BEAM has exceeded expectations, maintaining its structure and offering valuable data for future space habitat designs. This success signals the potential for larger inflatable habitats in future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. NASA's BEAM represents a major leap in space exploration. Its ability to create large, safe, and flexible habitats using compact materials is a game changer. As we look toward deep space missions, BEAM's technology could be scaled to build bases, research stations, or even permanent colonies, paving the way for more ambitious human exploration. BEAM is not just a module, it's a new blueprint for living in space. The Starship, a future for long-term space travel. SpaceX's Starship represents a bold leap forward in space travel. Designed to carry both crew and cargo, Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft intended to make long-term missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond possible. Unlike past spacecraft built for short missions, Starship supports extended voyages lasting months or even years. Elon Musk envisions Starship as the vehicle that will enable humans to become a multiplanetary species, living and thriving on other planets. This project shifts space travel from temporary expeditions to the foundation of long-term human settlement. Starship's size and capacity are key to its innovation. Standing 50 meters tall, it can carry up to 100 passengers and large amounts of cargo, making it ideal for crewed missions and transporting infrastructure for colonies. Inside, Starship includes crew quarters, workspaces, and common areas, ensuring the crew's well-being on long trips. Its reusability is a game changer, allowing the spacecraft to return, refuel, and relaunch, significantly cutting costs and enabling frequent missions. Starship also focuses on self-sufficiency, crucial for Mars missions where resupply from Earth is difficult. SpaceX plans to use Mars's resources to generate oxygen and rocket fuel using in-situ resource utilization, ISRU, while solar panels will provide power and water recycling systems will sustain daily life. The spacecraft's design also includes shielding against cosmic radiation, a major concern for long-term missions. Starship's versatility extends beyond transport. It can serve as a mobile habitat, research station, and even a launch platform for deeper space missions. With ongoing test flights, SpaceX continues refining Starship for human missions. As a revolutionary step in space exploration, Starship is not just a spacecraft. It is the vehicle for humanity's future among the stars. As we venture further into the cosmos, these groundbreaking architectural designs turn science fiction into reality. From lunar colonies to inflatable habitats, architects and engineers work hand in hand to create sustainable solutions for life beyond Earth. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.